Hello. Right, question 9 of the Junior Cycle Higher Level Exam 2023 was a nice easy question. It was just algebra. So multiply out and simplify this algebraic expression here. So we're simplifying, we're not solving. So what we need to do is we need to multiply our brackets. So remember 4x times 5x. So letter by letter, number by letter, number by number. So 4 times 5 is 20. X times x is x squared. 4x times 4 is going to be 16x minus 3 times x is minus 3x minus 3 times negative 2 is going to be plus 6. Now I'm just going to gather my like terms. I have no other x squared terms, so I'm going to leave my answer here as 20x squared. I have two x terms here, 16x minus 3x. That is going to give me 13x, and then finally we have no other constant terms, so I'm just going to have a 6 on its own, and that's the answer for part 1. Part 2 is difference of two squares. So I know it's difference of two squares because I have two terms, right, and a negative symbol, so automatically alarm bells are going off for difference of two squares. And I can write both of these as a number squared. So 9 is equal to 3 squared minus 25y squared is 5y, all to be squared. And remember, difference of two squares, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So factorize this is going to be 3 plus 5y, 3 minus 5y. And I cannot factorize it anymore, so we are finito on that. Finally, the last one, probably the trickier one. Write 5 to the power of 7 times 25 to the power of 3 all over root 5 in the form 5 to the power of p. So we want to get this all as a power of 5. So 5 to 7, that already has a base 5. That's perfect. So I can leave 5 to the 7 as it is. Right? 25 to the power of 3, I need to change that to the base 5. So 25 is equal to 5 squared. And that is all going to be to the power of 3. And if I have a power to a power, I multiply the powers. So 2 times 3, that's going to be equal to 5 to the power of 6. And then finally, square root of 5. Any number square rooted is actually to a power of a half. So square root of 5 is equal to 5 to the power of a half. Right, now let's sum it all in. So 5 to the 7 times 5 to the 6 all over 5 to the power of a half. So remember, when we're multiplying two numbers in the same base, I add the powers. 5 to the 7 times 5 to the 6 is equal to 5 to the power of 7 plus 6, which is 13, all over 5 to the power of a half. And then if I'm dividing two numbers in the same base, I subtract the powers. So that's going to be 5 to the power of 13 minus a half. It's going to be 5 to the power of 12 and a half, or 5 to the power of 12.5. Right, and you can easily check your answer on your calculator. So if you just open up your calculator and type all that in, right, so if you type in your calculator, so if you type in the expression in your calculator, type this expression in your calculator, see what it equals to, and then do 5 to the power of 12 and a half in your calculator and see what that equals to, you'll get the right answer. Right, and I hope this was some help to you guys, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.